I can't believe that I'm making this video because few years back I was this naive, romantic, stupid woman who kept Karwa Chauth fast for an ex. Not even a current boyfriend. It was an ex who dumped me. And the next day I felt horrible about it. Hello everyone, this is Calliope and today I'm going to talk about what if women made rules for Karwa Chauth. That would be like so much fun, right? Because a lot of women actually feel that this festival is so regressive and it's patriarchal. Karwa Chauth is basically a festival where married women, they keep fast, okay, whole day without food and water to pray for longevity of their husbands, like for their long life. A lot of unmarried women also keep this fast for their fiance or to get a good husband. Now, looking at my past and the choices I have made, all these really bad exes, I feel I should also actually keep this fast once again to get a good husband or to get at least a good boyfriend, because I don't see any hope. I'm just kidding. I have no intention of going without food and water to get some bloody guy. Anyway, dating is screwed up in 2016. I've just lost hope. Anyway, so this is like, my mind ki khurafati. I have just jotted down some points like, what if women made rules during Karwa Chauth? So let's look into it one by one. First of all, there would be like no fast. Are you kidding me? Like bhooke पेट कौन सी जंग जीती जाती है? If it was so easy, then wouldn't we like get independence long back and not in 1947? हर बार like हड़ताल पे जाओ. We would maybe like keep food challenges, like all women like pani puri, most of them. So we would be like, chalo pani puri competition karte hain. And whoever loses, her husband like loses a few years from his life. Or we would like, play cards. And पति की लंबी उम्र का सवाल है. And whoever loses, समझो the husband's years also are lost in that card game. Or let's say like, chalo, fine, we agree to keep fast. So we keep the fast, of course, without food, not water because we feel dehydrated and stuff. We can actually take advantage of this situation and say that, see, चुपचाप ये घर मेरे नाम पे कर दो, और ना देखना चांद निकलने के पहले खाना खा लूंगी, फिर तुम्हारी लाइफ की गारंटी आई कांट गिव. Or you can say something more subtle, like tell your mother to go to her house right now and never come back, otherwise I'll eat food without seeing the moon. Or you can ask that to get, you would worry about giving me an orgasm also during sex, not just about your satisfaction. That day the food is like prepared by mother-in-law. Like that's a great thing. I don't know how many women get to see that. Or we can actually make some rule like the husbands have to cook whole day, do all the work. That will be like a dream come true for a lot of women, because a lot of Indian husbands don't do any work. Most Indian men, married, unmarried, they just don't do any work around the house. Just like to sit and eat. So you can actually ask again, make sure that you help me the whole year, otherwise I will eat food before I see the moon. Then I can't guarantee about your life. ये साल कुछ भी हो सकता है. Now those pots which are filled, or I don't know, plates, you know, you have those makeup and bangles and handkerchiefs which are actually exchanged when they play some kind of ritual or game. I would say, why not fill that with gold sets or diamond sets by mother-in-laws? I think that is what, I don't know what, whether it is given by the mother-in-laws, I don't know, but I'm just saying we can make our own rules. What is this thing about? I don't know in whether it is in Vata Purnima or normally also, like I see in movies and all. 7 जन्मों के लिए I want the same bloody husband. Are you kidding? Please. Why same husband? Why? One life also, if you jelofy that one person, that's enough. Next janam I would like maybe Fawad Khan or Akshay Kumar or, you know, Nick Bateman or so many other men. Why just one person? So yes, Karwa Chauth can be actually used for your advantage. Why is it like it has to be patriarchal? Just think about it. Dimag lagao and start thinking how you can blackmail your husbands. So this is all I could think of. What rules women can actually make for Karwa Chauth. But seriously, I know this is like very romantic day, and you know, like the movies, Bollywood films have made it like seem more romantic, and a lot of guys also do keep fast for their wife's long life. So it's sweet. Alright, fine. So all you people, whoever is keeping Karwa Chauth fast, happy Karwa Chauth to all of you. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below and let me know, are there any other rules you can think of, or are there any funny things you can think of as a woman that we should do on Karwa Chauth. Please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe if you're enjoying my content. Then please press the subscribe button. Until next time, it's bye bye from me. Take care.